Okay, let me see. Let me see. Do you have a course in GRC ISO? I'm looking for a course that teaches me enough to land a job. So, Michael, I do have one, but before you purchase my course, if you are interested, go to ConvoCourses.com. I've got one that's free. Actually, why don't you check out the free copy of it? Go to ConvoCourses.com, look for all my free stuff. You'll see a free risk. It's called RMF ISO Foundations. And there's a free version of it. Okay. Check that out. See if that's what you want. But before you do that, I would ask you this. Do you have IT experience? Do you have information technology experience? Or very heavy knowledge in IT, because you're going to need that to get these jobs. It's not heavy. I don't do a lot of hands-on cybersecurity stuff. I'm not configuring routers. I'm not configuring switches. I'm not configuring help. I'm not working on the help desk, working directly with customers. I'm not doing firewall rules. I'm not doing any of that stuff. Okay. But I do have to know what kinds of threats there are out there. I do have to have some idea of the best practices of cybersecurity. I have to have a very good understanding of those things. The reason why I say the course is really good, in my opinion, it's the best course out there because I'm giving people practical. I'm telling you what risk management framework is, and then I'm giving you a practical example of how it works. I don't see anybody doing that unless you're going to spend $3,000 on somebody to come to your site and give you pamphlets and stuff like that. I'm not doing that. My stuff's like under $300, and to be honest, it's way cheap. But it's an excellent course. It's one of the best out there. I know because I've been through some of those courses, paid for by the government, and I can tell you, my course is one of the best ones out there. So go ahead and check it out. But if you don't have, the first step should be, if you have no experience, you need to get IT knowledge. You need to get a solid level of information technology knowledge. But if you want to know my courses, ConvoCourses, go check in the link description below. You'll see the ConvoCourses.com. Go there and you'll see free courses and stuff there. So you can check it out.